80s retro fanatics, lean in. This 8-bit DOE Retro 87 ain't just a vintage keyboard. It's a C64 throwback with super joystick plus buttons that cranks nostalgia to 11. That super joystick feels like gripping a 1982 gamepad, nudge it, and suddenly you're back in pixel battles, navigating menus like you're hacking old school systems. Extra super buttons, map them to classic shortcuts, stap one, and it's like slamming a vintage command key, typing with the rush of 80s gaming. Red power light glows like the original, spherical keycaps fit your fingers like they did 40 years ago. Kale whites click with that typewriter clack, gasket build keeps it smooth but sturdy, old school feel, new school smarts, 3-way wireless plus month-long juice, no brainer. Others, they copy the look. This, it breathes 80s Operation Soul. Now's the time, extra discount on, so grab it quick.